Welcome to Science Sphere. Have you ever wondered what happens when two black holes collide in space? These mysterious cosmic giants have puzzled scientists for decades, but recent discoveries have shed light on the incredible events that unfold when they meet. So, what truly happens during such a colossal collision? When two black holes come close to each other, they begin a slow and inevitable spiral inward, drawn together by their immense gravitational forces. As they move closer, they create ripples in the very fabric of space-time known as gravitational waves. These waves, first predicted by Albert Einstein, were detected for the first time in 2015, proving that such collisions occur in the vast expanse of the universe. The moment of collision is nothing short of extraordinary. The two black holes merge into one, releasing a tremendous burst of energy not in the form of light, but as powerful gravitational waves that ripple across the cosmos. This event produces more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the observable universe combined. Yet, it remains invisible to traditional telescopes since no light is emitted, making these black hole mergers detectable only through specialized instruments like LIGO and Virgo. Once the black holes have merged, they form a single, larger black hole that quickly stabilizes. The merger also reshapes the surrounding spacetime, leaving behind a cosmic signature that tells the story of this extraordinary event. The gravitational waves produced by such collisions travel vast distances, and when detected here on Earth, they provide valuable insights into the nature of black holes, their masses, and the workings of the universe. These events, while rare, remind us of the immense power and beauty that exist in the universe. Black hole collisions challenge our understanding of space and time, offering new perspectives on the fundamental forces that shape the cosmos. As scientists continue to study these gravitational waves, we unlock more mysteries about the universe, from the birth of stars to the fate of galaxies. Thank you for joining us at Science Sphere. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the wonders of space and dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries that await beyond the stars.